Hello guys, come with me. Let's make meat pie for the very first time. I did not film the part where I put in my butter with my flour. I beg, make nobody ask me measurement because me sef I no know measurement. The only thing I know be say I carry my flour, come put enough butter inside. I mixed it together properly so the whole thing can combine properly. And when you see that it looks like a breadcrumb, like breadcrumbs, just add in your water. When you add in the water, please don't ask me the measurement. Just put water. And when you see that your dough is strong, you just leave it. Don't over knead your dough. No tossing, na me get strength pass home. Na me fit knead well pass. So after kneading your dough, approximately, don't over knead it. Then you wrap it up in a white cellophane nylon, in a white cellophane. I beg any hand speak and take up. Then you put it inside your fridge. And when you put it inside your fridge, as you can see, this is my beef. I beg me nobody cost me. Oh. This is just 2 pieces of meat that I had in the fridge. I did not even, I pounded it like I pounded it. May just give me that means abi how they talk may just give me like that beef kind of setting. So I had to fry it a bit. And when you see that your beef is now brown, if you see that it's brownish, it's no longer reddish, you add in your Irish potato, add in all your veggies, anything where you want, anything where you like for your meat pie, just add it in. Just like as you can see me do. Good, I added it in. And here I am stirring it. I stirred properly. And when it was after stirring, I added in my water for it to cook a bit so that the Irish potato and the carrot can soften because you don't need half done things. You don't need half done in your meat pie. And then after that, you are allowed to cook, put in your seasoning, put in the seasoning of your choice. I used no cubes, yes. I use curry. I use a little bit of curry with lasso chicken spice, added in water, and that mixture that you saw me adding to it was my flour. Actually, it's good for you to use, as a baker that I am, yes, it's good for you to use corn flour, but I don't have corn flour. I made do with what I had in the house. I used my normal flour, mixed it, and I put it into my veggies. And when it was there, I allowed it to cook for some time, then it became softer. And here I am doing my meat pie. This plate is my meat pie cutter. Yes, I use an Tejo meat pie cutter. As you can see, I used it, put my plate inside, then remove the extra round the dough. So after doing it, you go to do one by one, one by one, one by one. I did mine one after the other till all my dough was complete. Then I started putting in my filler. Sorry guys, I beg no be filler, na filling. Good. So I started adding in my filling. Just wait. After some time, you go see me now as a serious baker that I am. Seriously doing it. Like say this work, you don't master me. Like say I don't know this work. I dey do am seriously with all seriousness. See my face now. See the way I take the do am. I do am, do am, do am, do am. Initially I told you guys that as a baker, you no believe me. Now see am now. See the practical. And for that brush that you're saying, that brush na my powder brush, my old powder brush. Now wash and wear. Take egg. I use the egg like my egg mixture. I use it to rub round my dough. That's my dough. Yes, I use it to brush around it so that when I'm closing it, it will not open. And I sealed it firstly with my hands. Then after sealing it with my hand, as you saw me doing there, I used my fork to press it hard so that it no go open. I can't put her now. You saw me now. I don't put her for my oven. For my oven, I used a pot, then put in things as you can see under the pot, beneath the pot. Then I took a cover of pot, placed it as my baking pan. So now I do one. Now meat pie is ready. So guys, if you've watched to this point, thank you so much. I love you. Please give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. It's free of charge. Help your girl.